My dear students, now I want to discuss problem number 5. Find the union of each of the following pairs of sets where x is equal to collection of element 1, 3, 5, y is equal to collection of element 1, 2, 3, and problem number 2, a is equal to a, e, I, o, u, b is equal to a, b, c, and problem number 3, a is the set collection of element x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3. B is a set collection of element x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So, my dear students, now I want to discuss all the problems one by one. Problem number 4, a is equal to collection of element x such that x is a natural number and 1 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 6. B is equal to collection of element x such that x is a natural number 6 less than x less than 10. And 5 is the collection of element 1, 2, 3 and b is equal to 5. Question is, how will you solve this type of problem? You must remember the definition also. Problem number 1, since yes, my dear students, sorry, here in the problem number 5, we have to find intersection, not union. Intersection of each of the following pairs of sets. So, now answer will be, since x is equal to collection of element 1, 3, 5, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3 are common. So intersection of x intersection y is collection of element of the set 1, 3. A is A, E, I, O, U. B is A, B, C. Then A intersection B, A is common. So we write singleton set A. Now, here A is, we will read in this way, collection of element x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3. Now, in roster form, you will write 3, 6, 3, 6, 9 and so on. B is the collection of element x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A intersection B is equal to singleton set 3. Now, problem number 4. A is equal to collection of element x such that x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than equal to 6. B, collection of element x such that x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. Since a is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and b is equal to 7, 8, 9. So what will be the intersection of these two sets? 5. Now, in problem number 5, A is collection of the element 1, 2, 3. B is 5. So A intersection B is equal to 5. If, problem number 6, if A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, C is equal to 11, 13, 15, D is equal to 15, 17, then find A intersection B. You will do it, this problem at your homework. This problem is at your homework. Problem number 2, B intersection C. It is for your also homework. 3, A intersection C intersection D. This problem will be discussed on spot here. Now problem number 4, A intersection C. Problem number 5, B intersection D. Problem number 6, A intersection B union C. Problem number 7, A intersection D. Problem number 8, A intersection B union D. And problem number 9, A intersection A union D intersection B union C. Now, here I want to solve some problem, not all problems. Some problems which we will not discuss here are for your homework. Problem number 3. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. C is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. D is equal to 15, 17. So, first you find A intersection C. What is common in A and C? Only 11 is common. A intersection C, first you find. So, see here. A intersection C. A intersection C. Yes. Now, my dear students, now there is some mistake in problem number 3. A is a set collection of elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And C is 11, 13, 15. And D is 15, 17. First we find the intersection of A intersection C. What do you observe? 11 is common. So A intersection C is equal to a singleton set 11. Now A intersection is C is singleton set 11. And D is 15, 17. So no element is common. So A intersection C intersection D is equal to 5. Now problem number 8. A intersection C, B union D. A intersection C, B union D. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is 7, 9, 11, 13. D is 15, 17. So B intersection D is 7. Now you see, B intersection D is B intersection D. 7 is common, 7 is common. 9 is common, 9 is common. 11 is common, 11 is common. Not common. B union D. Sorry. B union D. Then 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, 13. And 15, 7. This is B union D. Now, we have to find A intersection B union D. So now take common between A and B union D. You will observe 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. This is common. 7, 9, 11. And here is 7, 9, 11. So 7, 9, 11 is common. So this will be the set having elements sign 9, 11 of A intersection of B union D. How will you solve this problem? First you find B union D. What is B union D? 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11. So, B union D, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17 and 15. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15, 17. Now we take common between A and B union D. The 7, 9, 11 is common. 7, 9, 11 is common, so this will be the intersection. So in this way, my dear student, we will solve this problem. Now, problem number 9 is A union D, intersection of B union C. So what is A union D? You can see 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. 15, 17 is B union D. And also B union C. B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. C. Now, intersection between A union D and B union C. What is common? Common is 7, 7 is common, 9 is common, 11 is common, and 15 is common. So this will be the answer. Now, my dear student, I want to discuss Problem number 9. If A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. What will be A minus B? So what is A minus B? The elements of A which are not in B. The elements of A which are not in B is the A minus B. The elements of A which are not B in B are 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. 3 is not present in B. 6 is not present in B. Try to understand. 12 is not present in B. And 18 is not present in B. And 21 is not present in B. Which are not present in A? 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So this is A minus B. Try to understand. Generally students get confused. They forget the definition. Only students forget the definition. That's why they will write incorrect answer. What is A minus B? The collection of elements of A which are not in B. Now select those elements of A which are not in B. The 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 21 are not in B. Therefore, A minus B is equal to this much. So this is very, very important for the purpose of examination. So my dear student, you must keep in your mind while solving the problem the definition of difference of two sets. D minus A, 5, 10, 20. C minus D, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. D minus C, 5, 15, 20. I hope you have understood it. Now, problem number 10. If x is equal to A, B, C, D and y is equal to F, B, D, G, find x minus y minus x, and x intersection y. So what is x minus y? The elements of x which are not in B, These elements are A, and C, which are not in y. Y minus x, elements of y which are not in x. देखो वॉलीबॉल हो रहा है यहाँ खेला. x minus y, y minus x. Elements of y which are not in x. तो y का कौन एलिमेंट x में नहीं है? F, G, x intersection y. What are the elements common? B and D. So in this way we can solve problem number 10. Now my dear students, what is in problem number 11? If R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational number, then what is R minus Q? R minus Q is set of irrational number. Now problem number 12. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 3 and 6 are disjoint. Since in the intersection of 3, 2, 4, 5 and 3, 6, 3 is a common element. So it will be not disjoint. It is false. Disjoint कब दो सेट नहीं होगा? जब दोनों का intersection 5 होगा. But here is the intersection is singleton set 3. So it is false. A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D are disjoint set. Here intersection. The intersection of this set is A, singleton set A. So this is false. 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. Here the intersection of these two sets is 5. So these two sets are disjoint. 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11. What are the intersection? 5. So these two sets are disjoint set. My dear students, in this way, Now today we have discussed all the important problem of this exercise. I hope you have understood, and keeping all these steps in your mind, now you would be able to solve the problems of other books also. Thank you. Thank you very much.